What up, guys? It's Plexx. Today, we're building a computer. So let's get into it. As you can see, I got the Phantom full tower made by NZXT. Big boy right there. I got the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 with the Intel 6700K processor. About a 140mm fan for the front. This case comes with 4 fans, 2 120s on the side, a 120 on the rear, and a 200 on top. So about a 140 to go on the front. Got the Asus Z170AR, Samsung Evo 250GB SSD. Got a Western Digital Blue 2TB hard drive. Went with the Hyper 212 Evo by Cooler Master. We got the Corsair CX 750W power supply. And we have 16GB of RAM by the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 3000 MHz. So before I get the build started, I want to say thanks to Kerry Holzman, because without him I wouldn't be here building this. So thank you, Kerry. Let's unbox the tower. Alright, so here we have it, finally unboxed. Got it in black. Ooh, it looks sexy. This looks sexy. Looks like an Alienware desktop. Oh yeah, so we got that. Let's remove the side panel. This is the side we're going to be working with over here. It's got these thumb screws in the back, like that. I like how they made the design with this middle screw. You can just pop down and pull right out. So we'll remove this and set this aside. Ooh, here's all our handy dandy hardware. So first thing we're going to do is put in the power supply. So let's unbox this. See what comes. Ooh, we got our cord right here. Little manuals. And here it is. We got all our wiring. So it's a semi-modular power supply. So it does have that one cord attached to it. So as most cases, NZXT has all your mounting hardware nicely assorted in all these little goodie bags. Look at that. It's awesome. It's so nice of them. Okay, so we're installing the power supply with the fan down. That is going to take air in to the power supply. So we've installed our power supply now. Woo! Alright, so next we're going to open up our motherboard case. Yes, exciting. So what we're going to do next is install our I/O shield. So here it is. Here's the motherboard. Outside of its box. Outside of the anti-static bag. Woo! Looks beautiful. Wow, that's precious. Like it, like it. So I think next step is installing your processor, if that's what you want to do. So we now have the CPU. Woo. Possible. We got a retention arm right here. Push that down, up, and this should lift right up. Ooh. Make sure all those pins are straight. Just quick little. So there's a white triangle on your CPU, and there is a white triangle on the motherboard, and those should line up. There's also little keyways. There we go. Push this back down, make sure it's under the screw, pull down the retention arm, and boom. Shield pops right off. Okay, so next is going to be installing our CPU cooler fan. So there's the fan. There it is. There. And the back plate. Okay, so here we are, about to install the 212 Evo, or at least try to. So it looks like I gotta put my standoffs. Where's my standoffs? Oh, here they are. We got our back plate and our standoffs on our motherboard now. Okay, so it's time to apply our thermal compound paste. Ooh, this is scary. Okay, so we applied our thermal compound. Now it's time to install the fan. Make sure we got our bracket lined up. Gotta remove this sticker. Okay. Okay, so we have our heatsink all tightened down. Now we will put the fan back on. So now it's time to install our RAM. We got the Vengeance LPX, 16 gigabytes. That's 2 sticks of 8 gigabyte each. And we're installing here and here. Go. There's one. Goes the second one. Try to push down firmly. So we now have our RAM installed. Whoa. And our CPU fan. So let's see what's next. Alright, so now we're just going to install our standoffs to get ready and put the motherboard in here. So here we go. Okay, so we now have our standoffs. Okay, so we got our standoffs in. Now we are going to put the motherboard in. Alright, so now we have our motherboard mounted. Let's look at what's next. Alright guys, so now we're going to install our SSD drive and our HDD drive. Alright, so we got our hard drive, and it should just slide right in here. Boom, there we go. So we have our mechanical hard drive installed now, and our SSD right down here. Okay, so I had to move the SSD drive underneath the mechanical drive just so I could use the same SATA cable. I got that plugged in now, so it should be good. And, woo, man, got a lot of cables here. Alright, I'm going to take my time take my time and see where all these go to, because this is a lot of cables. So I just unboxed the Corsair 140mm Quiet Edition fan. So we found them. We found the screws we need. I knew they were hiding somewhere. We got it on now. There we go. So here's our graphics card. There it is. But okay, so we gotta open this up. And hopefully I took the right ones out. There we go. We've installed our graphics card. So that's the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970. Oh, it's looking nice. It is looking nice. Woo. So we just about have it done. Just got done doing all the cable management. Gotta put the panels back on. So we'll do that real quick. Okay, so there we go. We got it. The panels put back on there. So I probably should have done a test boot, but let's cross our fingers. I'm just going for gold right now. Let's set this up. So the moment I've been waiting for is here. Our first boot. I think everything should be good. See how this goes. Ooh. Is this on? Fan's on. That's good. See if we get anything on the screen. Uh-oh. No signal. It's HDMI. It's in. Oh, I heard a beep. We got something. Woo! Jesus. And we're not in the BIOS. Woo! It worked. There it is. We're in the BIOS. It really works. I want to thank you guys for watching this, my first build. Thanks again, Carrie Holzman. You helped me out a lot through this. You may not know it, but actually you do know it. I know you know. But yes, thanks again. I'm going to set up the BIOS, install my drives, and I still have to install my OS, but everything should be good now. Thanks again for watching. We did it! 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 We got it working! Oh yeah! We got it working! We did it! We did it! Yeah!